Hello, and welcome back to Fexorg Fluency, a calm and simple place where you can improve your English day by day. If you are learning English and sometimes feel confused, shy, or nervous while speaking, don't worry. You are not alone, and you are in the right place. In today's episode, we are going to practice something very important: how to think in English naturally, without translating every sentence in your mind. Many English learners understand grammar, but when they try to speak, they first think in their native language and then translate into English. This takes time. It creates stress, and it makes speaking feel slow and difficult. But imagine this. Imagine waking up in the morning and naturally thinking, "I'm tired. I need coffee. Today is going to be busy." In English, no translation, no fear, no pressure. That is one of the biggest signs of fluency. And the good news is this: you do not need to be perfect to start thinking in English. You only need practice and patience. So today, I will help you train your brain to slowly connect directly with English. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully and repeat after me. If you want, you can pause the video and practice each sentence again. Ready? Let's begin. First, let's understand something important. Why do people translate in their minds? The answer is simple. Because the brain feels safer using the language it already knows. When you hear English, your brain quickly searches for meaning in your native language. And that is completely normal. Every learner does this in the beginning. But over time, we want to build a direct connection between English words and real meaning. For example, when you hear the word apple, you should imagine the fruit directly, not translate the word first. This direct connection helps you speak faster and understand English more naturally. Now let's practice simple English thoughts together. Repeat after me slowly. It's a beautiful morning. Now you repeat. I feel a little sleepy today. Now you repeat. I need to drink some water. Repeat again. Very good. Now imagine you are getting ready for school or work. Repeat after me. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm packing my bag. I'm running late. Excellent. These are small sentences, but they are powerful because they describe real life. And real life English is the most useful English. Now let's continue with another important tip. Describe your surroundings in English. Wherever you are right now, look around you. Maybe you are in your room. Maybe you are on a bus. Maybe you are walking outside. Now try to describe what you see using simple English. For example, the room is quiet. The fan is moving slowly. The weather is hot today. I can hear cars outside. This practice helps your brain to stay active in English. At first, you may only know simple words. And that's okay, because fluency begins with simple sentences. Now let's practice together again. Repeat after me. The sky looks cloudy today. My phone's battery is low. I'm feeling hungry now. I need to finish my work. Wonderful. Now let's talk about something many learners struggle with, and that is the fear of speaking incorrectly. Sometimes learners stop speaking because they worry too much about grammar. They think, what if my sentence is wrong? But remember this. Communication is more important than perfection. If people understand you, your English is working. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. So don't wait for perfect English before speaking. Start speaking with the English you already know. Here's a powerful sentence to remember. Repeat after me. I learn English by using English. Again. I learn English by using English. Excellent. Now, let's practice a short daily conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. What are your plans for today? I have some work to do. I also want to practice my English. That sounds great. Very good. Now, let's move to another important habit. Listening daily. If you want to think in English naturally, you must hear English often. Your brain learns from repetition. The more English you hear, the more familiar it becomes. That is why listening practice is so powerful. You can listen while walking, while cooking, while cleaning your room, or before sleeping at night. Even 15 minutes every day can create big improvement over time. And remember something important. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Understanding every single word is not necessary. Focus on understanding the main idea. Your listening skills will slowly improve naturally. Now, let's do a shadowing exercise together. I will say a sentence slowly. You repeat after me with the same rhythm and tone. Ready? Learning English takes time. Now you repeat. I am becoming more confident every day. Repeat again. Excellent work. You are doing amazing. Now, let's imagine a simple situation together. Imagine you are sitting in a cafe alone. What thoughts can you say? In English? Maybe something like this. This coffee smells nice. The cafe is peaceful today. I like this music. I want to order some food. Simple thoughts like these help you build natural fluency. And over time, your brain will start creating English sentences automatically. That is the goal. Not perfect English. Natural English. Before we finish today's episode, let's quickly review what we learned. Number 1. Stop translating every sentence. Number 2. Use simple English thoughts daily. Number 3. Describe your surroundings in English. Number 4. Listen to English every day. And number 5. Practice without fear of mistakes. Remember, fluency is built slowly. One sentence at a time. One habit at a time. One day at a time. Thank you so much for joining me today, here on Fexorg Fluency. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Your English journey has already started. and every day you are improving, more than you realize. See you in the next episode of Fexorg Fluency. Goodbye.